When it comes to SEO, this isn't your first rodeo. You know you can't DIY your way to search engine success, so that means trusting a professional SEO consultant. Here's why you need one and how to find the best. Why go pro with SEO? Here are some of the reasons using an SEO consultant makes sense for brands like yours. An SEO consultant will save you time. They handle the strategy and implementation so you can focus on your own tasks. They might also save you money because you won't have to hire internally. An SEO pro supports your inbound marketing strategy by attracting your target audience and increasing the visibility of your brand. An SEO pro will get you better results. They'll work toward your specific goals like growing traffic, getting leads, building your backlink profile, improving SERP position, and creating a better user experience. So now you know why you need an SEO consultant, but what should you look for when you start the search? Here are the qualities you'll want to seek out when evaluating potential SEO consultants. You want someone with demonstrated experience in search engine optimization, ideally in your industry or with companies similar to yours. Look for an SEO pro with extensive knowledge in the area in which you need the most support. All SEO consultants should be well versed in technical, on-page and off-page SEO, but you may want someone who also understands SEO copywriting, artificial intelligence, or another specialized area. Make sure your SEO consultant communicates clearly and effectively. Look for consultants who have ready answers to your questions, set realistic expectations, and are always transparent about your progress. You want results, and to get them, you need to trust the professionals, like our entire team of SEO experts here at FPS. Want to learn how we can optimize your organic search efforts? Check us out at firstpagestrategy.com, and let's get growing.